Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 31. I'm thrilled to say that some of these stories actually went viral, which means people are finally seeing our fighters, and that's really exciting. I want to try and make this video shorter than usual, because it hasn't been going viral. So if you want my more detailed thoughts on today's fighters, you can head over to my Substack. Representatives Pramila Jayapal and Sylvia Garcia reintroduced the Bipartisan American Dream and Promise Act. 201 of their colleagues co-sponsored, including Republican Representative Maria Elvira Salazar, who is one of the co-leads. Senate Dem leadership held their weekly press conference yesterday. And yes, I did say weekly. Someone asked me, well, why don't they have more than one a week? Because they need to get views on the one a week first. DNC Chair Ken Martin posted clips from the first leg of his Organizing Everywhere tour. And my favorite thing is the part of the caption where he says showing up in all 3,244 counties. This isn't even a 50-state strategy. It is better. Mark Pocan is offering to debate all of Wisconsin's congressional Republicans in public town hall settings. I want him to show up every time, even if they say no. The New Democrat Coalition, a center-left group in the House, announced their vision and policy platform for this session. Read it. You might be surprised by how much you agree with. This video wouldn't be complete without mentioning Brittany Peterson, who took her 1-month-old Sam to the Capitol to vote last night, and Kevin Mullen, who came to DC with a walker. And Kevin said he arrived in DC on Monday, which means we were intentionally misdirected by Democratic leadership because this had to be a surprise. So yes, Jeffries is one of our fighters today. And finally, sometimes letters work. The administration halted funding for the HBCU Agriculture Scholarship, and Senator Ossoff sent a letter, and funding was restored. So don't let anyone tell you the Democrats aren't doing the work. Your voice is your superpower, but only when you use it.